Guys, it's me, Miss Bell. I wanted to take some time to show you one of the sheets that we use for when a student finishes a vocational task or a task analysis, those different jobs that we have inside of the school building and then now inside of the house. So this can be done after the student takes out the trash or cleans the sink or wipes down the counters. Any of those job tasks you can do this with. And this will be our example, and then I will link the blank sheet in the description in the comments down below. All right, so in this first section, you're going to figure out the team member, so who is working, the student's name goes here. Down below, the dates that are being worked, so what days did you do this job, when did you work, job training site, for most of you it's going to be home right now, and job coach, who is the student working with while they did this job. It says to attach a photo of the job, but you guys can just talk about what job had been done. So let's practice this one with sweeping this time because that's the picture that we have in here. So sweeping, and I'll give you guys a couple of examples. Let's scoot this over. All right, so work environments that I like. So I have to choose between these for what I prefer. So I would choose between clean and dirty work environments. And I like to work in clean, so I would choose clean here. Okay, work environments here. So when I was doing my job, was I working in a clean place or in a dirty place? And I'm in my house, so it's pretty clean. Doing a lot of these videos to keep it clean. All right, and then I would decide if it's a good match for me. So if both of these answers are the same, then it would go into yes, these are the same, it's a good match. If these answers are different, then I would put no, this job is not a good match for me. And you're going to go down and do the same with each of these questions as we move through. And then all of those are recorded in the blank, and they have some wait time so that your student can answer each of these questions as they move forward. All right, guys, I will catch you next time.